This is Simon Hoang against our marvellous 65-year-old Chinaman. He beat Simon yesterday apparently, 11-1, 11-5 and something else in the third. And Simon's a very good player as well. But there's so much spin on the ball, you can't really pick it up from the video. But you're watching it without, I've been watching it without filming, and the spin on the ball is unbelievable. But he doesn't move around that much, he gets a lock back. Don't know if this is going to show much out actually. You don't get the shot so much on the film. When you watch it, it's completely different. Just been talking to his wife, no, his daughter lives over here, and her parents have come over for 2 months from China. I think mainly because of the Olympics. Oh, he's not going to play. He's not going to play, Simon. Aren't you playing anymore? You're not going to play? Oh, I see. I don't know this Rashid. I don't know him. So I'm going to cut this one off.